Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Telegram app on Windows computer. Telegram is one of the famous chat messenger. Many people using this app for creating chat groups. By using this app, you can create group member of up to 200,000. Sometimes people would like to access the Telegram app on Windows computer. In this situation, how they can install the Telegram app on Windows computer? Let's learn how you can do this. First, you have to open the Telegram website. Here you have to click on the Telegram for PC. Then you have to click on the Get Telegram for Windows. You can also install the exe file or you can download the portable version. The portable version means you don't want to install the software in your computer. It will be included all software files in the folder format. I would like to install the setup file, so I have to double click on the exe file. It will be open the select language. You have to click OK. Select the path where you have to install the Telegram app. You have to click. Now the Telegram app has been installed in your computer. You have to click finish. Now you have to click on the start messaging. Now you have to open your mobile app. You have to go to settings, then click on the devices. There is a desktop link device button, so you have to click on that. This will be open the QR code. You have to scan that. Now the Telegram account has been connected to your computer, so you can send the message anyone now. You can check it out. A lot of contacts has been displayed. You can send any message for the particular person. So in this way you can install and use the Telegram app on Windows computer. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.